let me show you how to do a booking on Giggster. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so I actually do need to do an actual booking, so let me show you how I do it. First, you want to sign up for Giggster and get to the app. Once you open it up, after signing up, it's going to look something like this. It tends to do a default to Los Angeles, but I'm here in Vancouver, Canada, so I'm going to change that. Now, I am actually booking a place to film for our YouTube videos. We hire a videographer and we book a place on Giggster and we just film a bunch of YouTube videos. So the first thing I do is I want to change the location. So I'm going to change this to Vancouver, and then I'm going to leave it to production, but you can actually use Giggster to book for events, for meetings, or for filming / productions. So I'm going to leave it on production and I'm going to click search. From here, it's going to show you all the places in Vancouver. What I like to do is I like to set a price range. So if you click on price 0 to 1,000, you can actually toggle this for your maximum amount that you would pay per hour. So I like to keep our bookings at 100 an hour max. So I'm going to click show results. And you can put this to whatever you want. If you have a higher budget, set it to whatever that is. So I set it to 100, and then now what you can do is you can just scroll through and see all the different places. Now for me, what I'm looking for is a good price, a good location, if there are reviews. It doesn't have to be an insane amount of high reviews, but I would like some reviews. And you can see that some of them already have hearts on them because I've actually placed them in my favorites. And if you click the heart button, it goes into this area right here, and I've categorized my different favorites. So we'll head back to the search here. I've actually filmed at this location, and I'm gonna find the one that I actually do want to book. Alright, so it's this one right here. I'm gonna click into it. You can obviously look through the photos and everything. You also want to pay attention to the minimum hours. So this place has a minimum hours of 4 hours for the booking. I'm okay with that, because we generally book for 6 hours at a time. You can click to read the description here, make sure it's all good. I want to make sure that I have access to the entire home, which we do. And you can go through and look at other specifications like parking, location details, how big it is if you need to know the actual space sizing. And I don't typically go into these other areas here like location rules, amenities, features, or crew access. Our team is very small. It's just me, my business partner, and our videographer, so we don't need like that much space. You've got the location here, and then obviously you want to make sure that there are some reviews. Like I said, there doesn't need to be an insane amount of reviews, but I do look at places that have at least 3 to 5 reviews. In this case, there's 10 5-star reviews, and people have said they have a 5-star experience, the host is awesome, and so it fits for what I'm looking for. Once you've gone through all the details to make sure that this is the correct place for your filming, meeting, or event, you want to click book. From here, you want to select your filming day, or your meeting day, or your event day, and then you're going to choose the times. So I wanted 6 hours, so I'm going to go 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Select time, and you need to fill out some details. So what are you planning? I usually go YouTube filming session. I'll put our company name. The crew is just 1 to 5 people. This is a production. And you just want to give a brief description. So I usually put something like this. We'd like to rent your place to film videos for our YouTube channel. Click continue to checkout. I've got a promo code, so I'm going to add that in. Apply promo code. You want to add your payment method. So you can click this down here. What happens next? The host will have 2 days to accept or refuse your booking. There are also instant bookings, and you'll see like a little lightning bolt, and those will automatically book. But this one, the host has set it to that they actually need to approve it. They want to look over your details and cancellation policy and grace period. You guys can read that. So I'm good with everything. You just want to make sure that you have the date, the correct time. If everything looks good, click order booking. And it says here, send booking request. I'm going to click OK. And then it says your booking request has been sent. The host will have 48 hours to accept or reject, and you'll get an email. Click OK, and then it's going to show you the pending booking, and it's going to show you how many hours are left for the host to either accept or deny your booking, and you have all your details down here. So that is how you make a booking on Giggster. If you would like a $50 off credit on your first booking, head down to the description below and you guys can redeem $50 off of your first booking. If you found this helpful, please let me know by giving us a thumbs up. That would be very much appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.